Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a very popular video where we are going to discuss top 10 facts that you must know before joining TCS. Many of you were requesting this video from a long time. So in today's video we are going to see top 10 facts that you need to know before you join TCS as a fresher. So before starting with the video, if you are new to the channel, please like the channel. As you can see that we regularly upload interview preparation related video on the channel. Also, if you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please do so, and you can join the Telegram channel. So you can see the links here on the YouTube channel itself and you can join. So let's start with the today's video now. So we are going to see top 10 facts of TCS that every fresher should know before joining the TCS. Many times a fresher has many things in mind before joining a particular company, and moreover TCS, which is a very big brand name, and students have very much confusions regarding the bench period, what all things are going to happen, until when they will get the projects. So for all these confusions, let's start with the facts now. So the first fact is TCS has a very high job security. So this implies that the low attrition rate of TCS in the IT industry. If you see other companies as compared to TCS like Infosys, Capgemini, Accenture, they have a high attrition rate, which means that many people are leaving the company in a very short duration of time, or sometimes it happens that they are made to leave. Okay, so in TCS there is a very high job security that once you join, you are not forced to leave, or no one can ask you to leave the company. So it has a very high job security. So let's move on to the second fact now. Joining bonus. So yes, when you join TCS as a fresher, you have an option to avail 60,000 as the joining bonus from TCS. So TCS has its some exams like CPA, IRA, by clearing which a fresher can get a joining bonus of 60,000 rupees. So yes, there is some criteria that if you get marks more than 60, then you can get 60,000. So all in all, there is a chance for the fresher to avail 60,000 from TCS as a joining bonus, which is a very good amount. Let's move ahead with the third fact, that is project assigned. Yes, so project is assigned as per the business requirement. New joinee may or may not get the development project. So this is a very common problem that students face while joining TCS, that yes, it is very true that TCS gives project based on the business requirements and not by looking at the skill set of an employee or an associate, because they have this policy that whatever is the business requirement now, and if there is any need, they will assign you to that project. Even if you have experience working with Java, and if there is a need in SAP, they will assign you to SAP or any support project also. So it might be the possibility that you will not get development project in the starting, but there is always an option that after some months or after some years you can change your field, or you can get into some development projects. So this is one of the facts that is very much important in order to take care in order to join TCS. Let's move ahead with the next fact, which is DCA or TSLP exam. Yes, not only about the joining bonus. Once you join TCS as a fresher or at any role, TCS has its own exams like DCA or TSLP. Once you join the company, candidates gets an opportunity to upgrade their profile and get 100% salary hike by taking these exams in TCS. So basically what happens is, when you join the company, you join for a particular role. For example, you have joined for Ninja role. Now for the associates of TCS, only this facility is available that they can give this exam, and if they qualify this exam, they get promoted and their salary gets doubled. So this is a very good policy in TCS that you can get your salary doubled. I don't think so that much company provides this opportunity to its employees. So very good fact. Moving ahead with the next one now, best KT programs. So it doesn't matter whether you have much knowledge or not, or for a particular skill, you will get knowledge transitioning for each of the tasks that you are assigned. So while joining TCS, you don't have to worry about that you don't know particular technology, or you don't know what is the task that you will be needed to do, right? So TCS has best KT programs. So whatever the task that is given to you, they will provide you with the KT, so that KT or KT is called as knowledge transitioning in the corporate world. So you will be provided with that knowledge transitioning, so that you don't have to worry about, or you are not stuck at any point of time that what you need to do. So this is one of the like good things about TCS. Moving ahead, lots of learning opportunities. Yes, so if you are someone from TCS, or if you have contact with someone from TCS, you also might know that TCS provides great platforms for its employees to learn, like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Know.me. They have their own LinkedIn kind of platform which is called as Know.me. They have iEvolve, where you can do their internal courses. Also, apart from these, if you want to do some external certification, TCS also provides reimbursement for those courses. Once you can do that courses, and once you qualify those courses or certifications, you can avail the money from TCS. So all of these opportunities are there in TCS. So TCS has a great deal of learning opportunities. Moving on to the next one, best employee friendly. So work-life balance, less work pressure are some of the perks of working at TCS. Yeah, it might be the case that you might not get into a good team, so that may be that may vary in your case, but in most of the cases the work-life balance is very good, and the work culture is also very good at TCS. As the brand value TCS offers, there is a like TCS has all sorts of projects in it, like the development projects, the latest trending technologies projects, IoT, machine learning, data science, AI, you name it, TCS has it. So TCS is best employee friendly, and it has a good work-life balance and less work pressure. The next fact is on-site opportunities. So you may get the chance to work on-site. So most of you must be aware that TCS has its offices in many countries, at various locations, right? So there is no problem if you want to get an on-site opportunity at TCS. It is very easy to grab. Once you have some years of experience, you may get the on-site opportunity very easily if you will apply for a particular project where they need the employee to come at the remote location and to work. So many a times, if your project location is outside India, you might be called for that place to work, and you have to go to the client location and you have to do your work. So on-site opportunity is one of the best perks that you can get at TCS, and with a very ease. Usually if you are at some other company and you need to get an on-site opportunity, you have to work very hard, and there are many restrictions that will be imposed on you. But in TCS, it is generally seen that on-site opportunities can be availed very easily by an employee. So one of the great perks of TCS. The next fact is there is no rehiring policy at TCS. So TCS does not have a rehiring policy. Once you leave TCS, you can't join back. So, and this is the main reason that some people do not join TCS at an early stage in their career, and they think that we will join TCS after some years, because TCS have this policy that once you leave TCS, you cannot join back. So you have to be very mindful of this thing, that if you are leaving TCS, you are not going to get back the chance of working at TCS. So this is again one of the facts that TCS doesn't have the rehiring policy. Let's see the next fact, that is free certifications. So we have already seen that TCS provides many kinds of learning platforms free of cost, wherein if you want to do a particular course, you need to pay thousands of rupees, and TCS is providing the entire platform only to their employees for free. You can think of it that how much amount of content they are providing their employees for free, and also the certifications they are providing for free. Some certifications like Microsoft certifications, AWS certifications, all such certifications are free of cost at TCS. If you want to do, you can do it by going to their internal portals. You can avail the offers, and you can do that. Also, if there are some certifications which are costly, and like Salesforce certification and other SAP certifications, related certifications. So if you want to do those certifications, what you can do is you can do those certifications first. You can pay from your end, and once you clarify or qualify those certifications, what you can do is you can get the reimbursement from the company. So in that case you don't have to pay anything from your pocket. So again, one of the very good perks of TCS. So in this video we have covered many different facts about TCS. Some of them were good, some of them were not that much good, but you have to think all of them before joining TCS. So if you are joining TCS as a fresher, all the best for your upcoming future. And if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to the channel, and also you can check the playlist section of our channel so that you can get the latest updates on what kind of videos we are uploading regularly on our channel. Thanks for watching.